What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 51 of 119 days of link building. It's Deepak Shukla here. I'm the founder at Pearl Lemon, an SEO agency based in London that's serving clients around the world. And today we're going to continue to talk about ultimately an extension of Chrome extension link building. Now, to get a link, to get 17 additional strategies that you won't find shared in this training, then just click the link in the description below and it will take you over to some additional stuff that you won't find anywhere online. So plugin link building. Look, this is really a continuation of Chrome extension link building because correspondingly, as you can imagine, there's multiple marketplaces to build extensions. So there's Chrome, of course, as we discussed, there's Firefox, and there's Safari, and there's Microsoft Explorer or Edge, and there's probably other platforms that does have a store. So really think about basically all of these areas, and that's not to just discount at all. The same principle for app stores and the same principle for app stores that belong to, for example, CMSs. So the Shopify app store, then you've got Slack, then you've got Teams. So if you really map out all of the platforms, WordPress as well, then you can develop a whole range of plugins. Now, this is more suited to teams that have got developers in-house, or if you've got a good relationship with a development team, then it's a good way to get a series of links for ultimately your primary website to, get the high domain authority links that you're after. So there is some elements involved, but I mean, fundamentally, you could build a good relationship with a developer, talk them through what your plans are, and have them spin up a series of links. Now, those actual plugins having some kind of utility, i.e. being useful for something, would definitely be powerful. But I mean, fundamentally, this is something that you see very few companies do, but it does open you up to the opportunity of getting links that people probably have very extremely limited access to because of the technical requirement to get such links. But if you do have software capabilities within your network, then this is definitely something worth investigating. And I mean, if we just Google's platforms to build plugins for, just have a look at that, then the best tools, WordPress, e-commerce plugins. This is all based upon WordPress. There's marketplaces for. I mean, for plugins. There's the places that I've just described, but there's probably a whole area of other places that you can consider, and we'll talk about some other elements to this in just a moment. But fundamentally, you could look at the App Store, companies that have app stores. So if we look at that instead, let's see what comes up now as an example. So let's go ahead and dive into this, and we can see, list of mobile app distribution platforms. Let's have a look at that. List of Android app stores, biggest app stores in the world, 2021. So look, list of alternative app stores. So we're already beginning to, this is, mobile based, but we're already beginning to delve into areas that are of interest. So if we have a look, there's the Amazon App Store. I didn't even think about that. There's BlackBerry, there's download catalog. So as you can see, and how many are there here? Well, it doesn't tell you, but third-party platforms, native platforms. So third-party would be, okay, fantastic. So we'll go on and talk about elements of this, but Google Play, App Store, Windows, Amazon, and then list of best alternative app stores, builds, GetJar. Yeah, so look, there you go, guys. I think that plugin link building is definitely something, if you're especially a software company, you should consider as a means of getting links that basically your competitors can't.